So I was just going out, and there's people in front of my house. I don't know if they need an autograph or something like that. I'm not that famous, but maybe you guys know her. Who are you?
Hello! Hi, this is Paula from News 13 in Orlando, Florida, and we have Bay News 9 in Tampa with Spectrum Network. So you are going to be famous. This is probably going to air in a couple places, New York, North Carolina, Texas. So
That's perfect. So
5 minutes, 5 minutos de fama.
5 minutos de fama. That's more than enough.
On June 18, Paula Machado came to Puerto Rico to do an interview on me and on the project that we are running. Right away, we went to Humacao to install a solar generator. When we arrived, Don Julio received us with open arms and right away gave us a little tour around the house, showing us the little struggle he has to go through every single day after the hurricane passed. He told me he's using rechargeable light bulbs that he managed to run for a couple of hours every day and can only be recharged when he has enough money to run the generator. Before doing the installation, I watched behind camera how Paula and Joe handled the interview with Don Julio. They are a great team and they treated Don Julio with much respect. It was an awesome experience being behind cameras and watch all this. I took the panel to the roof while Paula was following me with her camera, watching every single little step that I was making with that panel. We are using a 285 watt-hour solar panel that was donated by Dynamic Solar from Puerto Rico. These are used panels, but they work as good as new.
So tired, I'm sweaty, but everything is connected and we are doing like turn on the light bulb. That's something I know you guys love it. So let's see how it goes. Don Julio, I know you. You're a TV star.
Hello!
That's Paula. Don Julio,
Dime.
¿quiere prender la luz?
Ah, seguro que sí.
¿Cómo que se llama su esposa?
Mira, yo voy a prender una bombilla aquí.
Está bien, no te preocupes.
Bueno, pues,
¿Cuál era su nombre?
Mi nombre es Julio
Juana.
Sánchez.
¿Quiere prender la luz?
Juana, Anita, prende, porque tú no puedes, porque tú no, hay que levantarse primero.
Traiga a su esposa, que esto es algo para los dos. Vamos a prender la luz.
Oh, esta es.
Sí, aguanta aquí. Va a darle aquí, escuche.
Aquí, yo queda callado. Voy a prender la luz.
Dale,
La vaya que te espero, muchacho.
dale.
¿Prendió? Oh, sí.
¿Tienes luz?
Ay, hay luz. Eso quiere decir que si hay luz aquí, puede haber luz donde se transmite por un cable.
Es correcto.
Oye, que tú sabes esas cosas. Pues nada. Te felicito.
¿Estás contento?
Y cuando tú termines, te voy a apretar la mano.
¿Estás contento?
¡Aleluya! Seguro que sí. Esto está de show. Muchacho, apaga.
Apágala.
Eso.
Y préndela de nuevo.
Prendo. Mira para allá.
Ya tienes luz.
Ya tengo. Esto está.
Juana.
¡Ponme la vela!
¿Tienes luz?
This inverter was a donation made by Farmacia Vanga. Alberto, thank you so much for your help and support, and God bless you for your kindness.
So we're done. We installed the system and everything is working. Now watching TV. And we got Paula. She's going to take a picture. And everything is awesome. So let me just place you guys over here so you get to see the picture.
At the end of the day, Don Julio was really happy with his new toy, and I'm just grateful that we managed to help them. He's just an awesome dude, and I just pray to God that he has better days from now on. Meeting Paula was an awesome experience, and being part of this whole process of the interview, it was just simply awesome. God bless you, Paula, and may he brings you great stories in the future. I'll see you around. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And God bless you all. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.